Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello Apple friends, looking at the daily and weekly time frame, and here we are getting that bullish follow through that we were patiently waiting for week after week of normal healthy consolidation. We saw the bulls showing up at the end of last week. It wasn't a huge move, but we noted the higher lows continuing to form 5 days, 6 days in a row, and there's that bullish follow through, certainly related to news, getting that bullish push today. And a lot of people say, oh, you got lucky, it's just news, but we saw the bullish action coming at the end of last week. Whether it was related to the news that was coming, that remains to be seen. I don't really care, to be honest. What it tells me is that the chart showed bullish action, and now we're getting that follow-through, hitting higher highs. So we have a bullish MACD cross about to occur, the bull volume showing up. The weekly time frame is what we were looking at as normal, healthy consolidation, and now leading to higher highs. So we are rejecting from the upper Bollinger Band on the daily at 116.53, and we have to watch that level very closely every day that it drops. We're going to be watching, so Monday first thing, or make that Tuesday tomorrow, first thing, update the upper Bollinger Band, see what that price is, and it's going to require, in my opinion, the bull seeing more than 35 million shares traded tomorrow to close above the upper Bollinger Band and break out. Otherwise, we could expect to potentially consolidate. There's a gap now at 114.56 from the gap up today. And again, the weekly time frame looking great for the bulls. Total volume 126 million last week, and we are already at about, let's say we're about 24% of the total of last week's volume in the first trading day. So if this volume does keep up, we're going to see an increase in bull volume. The next longer term resistance is up at 117.85. So that's our next short term target on Apple, but we know the daily upper Bollinger Band is standing in the way first. Apple on the hourly time frame, and we could see these stair step higher, and here is when things got interested and shifted for the bulls. So look at all these moving average resistances. Let's go back to the 10-day. Every time that we tried to see a bull move, rejected from the 100 period resistance, big bull move, but falling right back below the 200 period resistance. Another one on Wednesday. Let's zoom in and see where that shifted at the end of last week. Now we're bouncing off these moving averages as support on the way up, testing them again and again. And then big time breakout today, news driven, but certainly the signals coming Thursday and Friday that the bulls were starting to gain control. And that's some nice follow through. And we got that 20 period catching up in the low 115s. That's an importantly hourly support to look at. Normal healthy consolidation on the hourly is occurring, and we'll see how that translates into tomorrow. What also stands out about this volume, SPY volume saw the lowest volume in the past 2 months. Extremely low with the holiday, and the fact that Apple bulls were able to put up over 35 million shares traded absolutely stands out on a very low volume market day. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow. Thanks for the likes and the shares. Congrats to the bulls. Have a great night.